Strach just sent me this awesome guitar set. I thought I'd jump on here and tell you a little bit about it. So one of the things that I was struggling with is I wanted to get a guitar because I used to play when I was a kid, but there were so many options, then I had to buy the amp and the chords, and there's all these other things. This thing comes with everything, so I thought I would just show you what it comes with. First off, obviously the guitar, and this is beautiful. It's very shiny. I like this blue color, and this reminds me a lot of the Fender that I had when I was a kid. The cool thing too about this is that it comes already stringed. You don't have to string it. It's got a strap. So when I was younger, I remember saving up for each piece of the guitar, and I'd save up to get a strap or to get an amp. And this has everything, including a guitar tuner right here. So having this guitar tuner helps a ton, especially if you're just getting into it. Now let me talk a little bit about the amp here. So this amp is pretty neat. It has a couple different settings here. You can turn it on regular clean, or you can turn it on drive, which is more of your grungy sort of electric guitar sound. And then you can adjust the gain and the tone. Now, something I found that was pretty cool is it also has a Bluetooth setting. This acts like a regular Bluetooth speaker you use on your phone, except you can go online, or if you have something saved in your music, you can play along with music or put on like a backing track for E minor or a pentatonic scale, which is really cool, and you can play along with it and then adjust the volume up or down so your guitar is not like overpowering the sound. The other thing I thought was pretty neat is you can plug in your headphones. So if you're somewhere where you don't want anybody to hear, or obviously it's loud and people are sleeping, you can plug in your headphones. Or if you don't have a Bluetooth, you can plug in the auxiliary, which is basically the same as the Bluetooth, except for the song would be just stored on a device. So the other thing is it comes with a cord. And when I say it comes with everything, it really does come with everything. It came with the tuner, a bunch of different guitar picks. They're not all the same either. The guitar picks are light all the way to heavy, and there's like 4 or 5 of these guitar picks. I always preferred the light ones. It has a nice microfiber cloth because as pretty as this guitar is, you're going to want to keep it looking clean. A carrying case for the amp right here, and then also it comes with a capo, which is pretty cool because I remember as a kid saving up to get one of these. It has the capo, and even, I was surprised to see this in there, an extra set of strings. So if you wear these ones out or need to get some new ones, then you have your extra set of strings here. And of course, a carrying case, and this one's pretty nice because it's got the big pocket on the bottom, and it's also got a little pocket on top if you want to put strings and picks. But you can put everything from the kit into here, put it on your back, and walk around and be able to have everything with you as you go. So I'm going to plug this in here. You'll get an idea of what it sounds like. So let's turn it on regular. Just push the little button here, turn it on. So this is what it sounds like. This is the clean. And here's the grunge. So if you're looking for a guitar, I definitely check this one out. It's got everything from the amp, the strap, the guitar, the strings, the pick, the case, everything you need to get playing, whether it's a gift for a friend, family member, kid, whatever. Maybe you just want to treat yourself. Definitely check this out. Now that I got this, I can't put it down.